So why do cold press? Is it a flavour? Is it for health reasons? I mean, you've really bucked the trend and you've sort of taken New Zealand by storm.
The actual natural process of cold pressing, which is putting seeds into an expeller plant and extracting the oil. So that is cold pressing. You leave all the flavours and the colours and the full oil profile that comes out of the plant and out of the seed. You retain that, and that's good for heart health and an excellent cooking oil.
It seems like so logical not to over-refine these oils. I mean, why do you think that we did that in the past? And now, why do you think people are really embracing your product?
The reason refined oils are more dominant in the market is because they're consistent. And in baking or in deep frying, you need to have the colours and the flavours and that taken out. But for a lot of other applications like culinary oil at home or splash fry or finishing oil in the restaurants, cold press is best. And the good oil brand's going fantastic. New Zealand consumers are right in behind us. Hospo into restaurants. Yeah, it's going great.
So you have an amazing relationship with farmers all over the South Island. I mean, what benefit is there for these farmers to be selling their seeds to you?
Yeah, so we've got 100 arable farmers, sort of mainly Canterbury and Southland, and the oilseed rape and the sunflower are both important parts of their cropping rotation, so they're not growing all cereals year after year. So that allows the ground time to breathe and then increases the yield on all of the rotation.
Wow, and here's the seed here. This is my first time sort of looking at rapeseed ready to harvest.
The little seeds, you grab the pods and then just give it a good rub and the seed will start falling out.
It's fascinating because it's such a tiny seed. I mean, how much oil does one tiny seed produce, like as a percentage?
It's about 40 or a bit over 40% oil.
Well, that's a lot.
So it's a lot of oil. So there'll be thousands of bottles come off this paddock. Yeah,
that's incredible.
We only take the seed off the paddock and all the biomass goes back into the ground, sort of thing. So there's a lot of nutrients that'll go back in the ground for the following crop.
It's really nice to talk about staples. Oil is a staple, and so to have oil made in New Zealand, to be able to serve it in the restaurant, have it at home, I think is a really important story to tell.
New Zealand can produce really top quality oils to the right yield.
Healthy New Zealand oil for New Zealanders.
Correct, yeah.
Beautiful.